Are you tired of forgetting to pay your bills and getting hit with late fees? Learn how to set automatic payment reminders in Google Calendar in under 2 minutes. First, we'll create a new event for your bill. Then set the date and repeat frequency. And finally, configure notifications so you never miss a payment. Click the Create button to start making a new event. Then choose Event, the best option for a bill reminder. Enter a title for your payment, like Pay Internet Bill. Now, use the date picker to choose your payment date. Click on that date to select it. Then, pick a time from the time picker. Click Does Not Repeat to open the repeat options. Select a repeat frequency, like monthly, so the reminder automatically repeats each month. Click on More Options to see additional settings. Then, click the Notifications drop-down menu. Choose Notification from the menu. It's more reliable than email for timely reminders. Then, click the Time drop-down to open the time options. If you want, add a brief description of the payment. And click Save to finalize your reminder. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.